Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and let me share with you how to use and how to enable, how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So the eye comfort mode or night mode will be useful if you like to use your device at night when the light is dim. It will simply apply a yellowish shield which will help your eyes and relieve the pain. So I highly recommend to use this mode whenever, if you're a night owl, you will need it. Today I'd like to show you the fastest way to get into this mode, to turn it on and off, and then how to customize it. So let's start with the turning on and off option. All we have to do is to unroll the top bar and unroll it fully in order to check to be able to see those icons. And here we have to scroll in order to find a proper icon, which is the nightlight. In this device, the eye comfort mode is called nightlight. That's okay. So let's simply tap on this option in order to apply it. And as you can see, the screen changes a little bit. It is not really, you can see it right here, because this section should be white, but right now it is more amber, I would say. And as I said, it is of course in order to filter the blue light. You can turn it off the same way just by tapping on this icon, and whenever you want to customize it, you can simply tap on it and hold it, and then your device should transfer you to this section where you can customize it. However, I'll show you a full path of how to get there if for some reason your device will decide that it don't want to use this automatic option. So all you have to do is to enter the settings, and here let's find the display. Now we have to scroll down to find the nightlight, and of course you can turn it on right here, and for sure you can see the difference. Let's tap on this option in order to customize the intensity. We can use this switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and there is no a lot of difference between the nightlight on the coolest setting and the nightlight turned off. And by going to the right, you can make it much warmer, so for sure this yellow shield is right now visible. You can also schedule the feature. The none option is more like manual option, so you will have to decide whether you want to turn it on or off. You can turn it on a custom time, so you can simply pick the start and the end time, and from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, and of course you can use the option, whichever option you want to. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.